7 common email marketing mistakes to avoid. One of the best marketing strategies among many options is email marketing. To keep your brand name alive in the minds of your customers, you must first entice them so they'll remember you exist. A well-orchestrated email marketing campaign can help you achieve this. If you haven't had a breakthrough in your email marketing campaigns after several attempts, you may have been doing something wrong. Luckily, this guide is here to help. 1. Using aggressive subject lines. Do you find yourself drawn to open an email just because of the subject line attached to it? You're not alone. Most people would feel the same. Scan through your email right now to verify this claim. You will find that you never opened many of your received emails, and the reason is not far-fetched. Did you know that 69% of email recipients report emails as spam simply because of their subject lines? 2. Disregarding mobile users. Most people use mobile devices and phones more than PCs. Therefore, your emails must be mobile responsive. 3. Omitting a CTA button. People don't just send marketing emails because they feel like it. There's a purpose for the email, and the objective should be realized. If you want your email recipients to follow you on Twitter or purchase a product, ensure you include a call to action button for that purpose. It is crucial to be clear about customers' wants, so you don't just crowd their inboxes. Therefore, adding a CTA button in your emails is necessary. 4. Failure to add links or using wrong links. Sometimes it's easy to create a beautiful email and send it out, but then you realize you forgot to add a link in your CTA, or worse, you included the wrong link. These mistakes are pretty common among business owners. Always check the emails you intend to send and inspect every CTA link in your emails. 5. Neglecting analytics. You can hurt your business if you run an email campaign and fail to monitor the analytics. Analytics includes the open rate of your emails, the click-through rates of your campaigns, the number of people that subscribe to your newsletters, and the rate at which others unsubscribe. Use the analytics of your email campaigns to generate consistency. Inspect the emails with the highest and lowest open and click-through rates and see what they have in common. Use the data from these analytics to plan future campaigns. 6. Using too many images. Images make messages more appealing and relatable, but they can do the opposite if wrongly used. If you use too many images in your emails, don't be surprised when your recipients block you. Even if you add alt text correctly, if the message has too many images, it is no better than sending a blank email. Let your paragraphs and sentences do the talking. When used in moderation, images can make your marketing emails look crisp and clean. 7. Not grouping subscribers. If you have only one email list where every customer receives the same message simultaneously, you are making a big mistake. Separate your subscribers based on their language, age, browsing behavior, sales cycle, previous purchases, and location. Every industry needs an email campaign to thrive in this digital age where people are drawn by sight. A major misconception of email marketing is that it is highly ineffective. Surprisingly, the reverse is the case. Maybe you've been making some mistakes in the past with your email campaign. This guide is here to help you identify and avoid those mistakes.